Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, East Lake, local and long-distance movers near me. Any move that goes more than 50 miles from your current location is a long-distance move. We follow a well-planned moving protocol. Our moving plan contains every detail of the move from start to finish. We all know how important your belongings are, and we treat them with care. Our movers are very particular about caring for your belongings. Our movers pay attention to every single item during the move. They handle them with caution and load them onto the trucks. Our moving trucks are of the best standards as well. They are capable of accommodating different sizes of items over long distances. We also cooperate with state and federal authorities that oversee the relocation process. We have valid licenses to move your belongings over long distances. Our expert drivers have a lot of experience with long-distance moves. They know and follow the rules guiding the highways. They drive carefully and still get to your location on time. Local moves are not as expensive as long-distance moves, and our local moving services are the cheapest in East Lake. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. You get value for your money despite our low rates. Irrespective of the city's active environment, our expert movers can assure you of a smooth move. We also carry you along throughout the entire moving process. We provide great moves at cheap rates. It's no wonder we are the favorite local moving company in East Lake. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our East Lake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.